Hi guys, how to sell item in Roblox. So let's get started. Now, launch a web browser, go to create.roblox.com, and sign in to access the Creator Hub. This is where all the magic begins, so make sure you are logged into the right account. On the left-hand sidebar, click Creations, then navigate to the Avatar Items tab and select Classics. This is where your designs will live. Don't skip this tab or you won't find your uploads later. Choose your category: t-shirts, shirts, or pants. Click Upload Asset. Select your design file, give it a name and description, then hit Upload. Quick heads up, this step usually costs 10 Robux, so make sure you have enough in your account before starting. Click on your newly uploaded item from the list. Toggle the on sale switch to blue. Then enter the amount of Robux you want to sell it for. Here is the secret. Pricing too high can kill sales, so start lower to build momentum. Review the regional pricing settings and marketplace options at the bottom. Then click Publish or Save Changes. Once that's done, your item is live for others to buy. Hit subscribe for more Robux making tips straight to your feed.